Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Hubeb. Today I will tell you about artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made machines sent into space by rockets to revolve around the earth. Satellites are useful to man in several ways. First one, communication satellite. Communication satellites are used to send telephone, conversation, television, and programs around the earth. Second one, weather satellite. Weather satellites are used to forecast the weather. They help to give early warning of dangerous storms. Third one, remote sensing satellites. Remote sensing satellites take photographs of the earth to study the features of earth's surface. Fourth one, space satellite. Space satellites are used to study the outer space, planets and stars. Thank you.